Hey YouTube, this is Delta Squad Tire bringing you the disassembly and assembly of the Stinger R34 Crossman Airsoft rifle. So, yeah, let's get started. Not much more to it. This is the Stinger R34 that I have a review on. Watch that. And I'm just going to show you the detachable and attachable parts that were included with the gun. I'm probably going to buy some more, like a flashlight or scope. Well, no, you can't really have a scope on this one because the sights don't, or that carrying handle / back sight doesn't come off, so you can really only put something right here like an optical. Yeah, let's get started. And alright, this is the gun bare. The magazine, high cap mag, buttstock with part of the sling attached to it. I just keep it attached on that end. Your opticals, your RES system, and that's pretty much it. Sling, not very special, but yeah, I guess now I'll put it back together for you. Just a second here, let me set up my camera. Alright, and here you have it. Crossman Stinger R34. That's my video for today. Subscribe, we'll have more coming up, like firing tests, airsoft wars, that kind of stuff. So stay tuned, guys. See ya.